All right, look, when I got the Bandi Cam update, I don't know what the situation was. I don't know why I was doing this, but my settings was a little bit goofy. So for some reason, it was putting the video file on a track that was like audio. I never knew that it could do some mess like that. And then it was messing up my audio. I was having to put some things inside of Handbrake and refix it and re-render it out and then edit it. So you want to come over to the general section right here, and then you want to go to advanced. Once you go to advanced, you want to go to video format settings, and then you want to make sure all of these things are like this. You want to do full size, you want to do 60 FPS if you want to do 60, but you can do all sorts of different ones depending on your use case scenario. You want to make sure you come and choose the codec. I choose the one that I have right here that is my graphics card, but you might not have that graphics card. You might just only be able to choose the CPU right there, and then you want to choose profile high, and then you want to come down here to these codecs right here and choose your highest bit rate for audio. You want that sound to be crispy, and then you want it to be whatever your microphone is. My microphone is 4800, so that's what I'm going to set it as, and then I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit OK again, and then I'm going to come up here and click where it says add speaker. When you click that, it's going to pull this up. As you can see, I chose the one that I have, and it's showing that I have my microphone selected. For some reason, this right here was not on disabled recommended. It was on something different, and that ain't cool. That's not cool. I don't know what the deal was, but I think that's what messed my stuff up. So I turned that bad boy off, put it on disabled, which is recommended, hit OK, and then bam, I'm ready to go. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button. It's greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.